I will talk about ONDO and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term, and I will share potential price targets and potential buy zones for ONDO to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. ONDO is on place 86 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. The coin has existed since 2024 and we saw the all-time high 2 days ago. ONDO is a new financial on-chain project, and ONDO is the market leader in the tokenization of real-world assets. And the ONDO ecosystem has some very large partners like BlackRock or Morgan Stanley. So I personally think that ONDO is one of the most interesting real-world asset coins. And if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And I think the chance is very high that you could see massive higher prices in the near future, because trends are often lasting longer than the most people are thinking. And if you have a look at the structure, you can see that we have the last higher low right here. And from this low, we saw this push to the upside we made in higher high. So as long as we don't break this last low here at 4 cents, then I think the chance is high that you could see even higher prices in the near future. And I'm also very bullish on the long term for ONDO, because as you can see, the market cap is just $1.1 billion. And ONDO is one of the best performing altcoins in the real world assets niche. And we have a lot potential to the upside, and especially if the total crypto market cap of the altcoins keeps increasing, the chance is really high that you could see even higher prices than the last cycle. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is very high that we could see even higher prices for the total crypto market cap. And if just a small percentage flows into ONDO, the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices for ONDO as well. And if you would compare the market cap of ONDO right now to the market cap of Polkadot, we would have a potential of 9.67x and a potential price target of $8.10. And I think this kind of potential is very realistic for ONDO, because as I said, ONDO is one of the best performing altcoins in the real world assets niche. And Polkadot right now has a market cap of $12 billion. So I think this is very realistic for this peak of the bull run. And I could also imagine that we see even higher prices, but I think this is a realistic price target for this bull run. And if you want to trade ONDO, you can do this on BingX at futures and spot market. And you also get up to $5,150 bonus if you're using my link. You will find a link in the description. So as I said, I'm really bullish on the long term for ONDO. And if we go on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we are already in this very interesting zone, because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the upside. Then we saw this consolidation and made a higher high right here. And now we are retracing back into this demand zone. We already took the liquidity, which was laying under this lows right here. And if we now see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think the chance is really high that you could see massive higher prices and a new higher high from this zone. And if we have a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we are already rejecting at this 0.618 Fibonacci. So if we are now seeing support and going to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices in the near future. But if we see lower prices again and break this last zone to the downside, then I think this kind of demand zone is very interesting, because this demand zone is the confirmed higher low, and this was the start of this push to the upside. So if we come back into the zone, the chance is high that we could see a bullish reaction from the zone. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ONDO, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think ONDO is a great project with a very high potential. ONDO has some big partners and is one of the most interesting coins in the real world asset niche. And I think a realistic price target for this bull run would be $8.10. So we had a 10x potential. And either if you're not invested in ONDO right now, or if you want to buy more coins, then we are right now at this very interesting zone. And if we see a bullish reaction, I think the chance is high that we are seeing a bullish move to the upside. And if we would see even lower prices, then I would wait if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction right here, and then I would buy some coins right here. And if this move was the bottom for ONDO, then the next very interesting bullish price target is the 1.618 Fibonacci at $1.23. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 50%. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.